Now, first, what you have to do, we should on the button. Okay, you should on the button. Next, power on. This is power on, and then we should press emergency release. Emergency release, and then machine ready. Now, machine is ready. Okay. You know, this is mode selector. You having idea about this mode selector?
Yes, same as the actual machine controller, right?
Okay. Now, this is known as mode selector. What is the advantage of this mode selector? Now, what are the purpose? What the purpose we need? We can select here. Actually, in this mode selector, you can see different types of text is there. This is edit, MEM. MEM means memory. That is auto mode. Tape. Tape means that is we can say in some machines it will be there DNC. DNC means
Yes.
direct numerical control. And then MDI. MDI indicates manual data input. Next, REF. REF means reference point return. Next, jog mode handle like this. Now, first, whenever you on the mission, what you have to do? First, you should select this knob to REF return. Okay, REF return. REF means reference point return. Just move the knob to REF return. Click Z plus. Z plus means now the Z axis will return to home position. Next, X plus. X axis will return to home position. Now, first, whenever you on the mission, go to REF return. That is, some missions ZRN return will be there. Just text will be different based on the missions. In some missions they will put ZRN return. What about your mission, sir?
Sorry, sir.
In your what about you are seeing like this text in your mission now mode selector lab, or otherwise some missions only symbols will be available.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, the symbols will be available,
Only
but in
symbols.
a different, it's a different way.
Yes. Okay. Just in some missions, these are all based on the mission manufacturer. Okay. It's not depends on the funnel control. Just this names and then it will be everything will be based on the mission manufacturer. They will be giving some symbols or something else. Okay. But the symbols will be universal. This text will be different based on this country. Okay. Yes. First, whenever you on the mission, go to reference point return plus Z plus X plus. Now we can see this is known as POS button. In this controller, you can see POS. What is the meaning of this POS button? Yes, Jonathan sir, you have seen this POS button.
POS. Yeah, yes, yes, sir.
This is known as position.
Position. Okay, okay.
Now, here this is known as soft keys. Here we will be having that. This is known as soft keys. What is the advantage of this soft keys? Now, if you press the position, okay, you can able to see absolute, relative, all, and position. It will be three levels: ABS, relative, all. That is ABS means is the absolute method. Relative means this is known as incremental method. All you can see relative method, absolute method, distance to go, and then this is known as mission value. Now, whenever you on the mission, you should see this mission value. Example, suppose you can see now if you press this Z, some value is moving. Okay, first, suppose when you're on the mission, go to position, see all. Now in mission value X is minus 91.312, Z minus 96 point some value is there. First go to REF. It's known as reference point return. Just go to this knob plus Z plus. Now Z axis is on home position, X plus. X plus is also in return to home position. Now you can see X and Z, this is on home position.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can see the machine value X and Z axis, this is on home position. Okay. This is the first level. Okay. And then, yes. Now we should set the component. Go to workpiece, top size. We can give diameter 60 as per yesterday program. Okay, diameter 60. Length we can give 100. Yes. Now you can see this is 3 jar chuck, diameter 60, and then length we are given 100. 100 or something else. Okay. Now we should set the tool here. This is the torque position T1, T2, T3. Yes. Now go to machine operation, tool management, first tool. First tool edit. Now this is the tool library. We can use any tools. Okay. SNMG, CNMG, DNMG, VNMG, TNMG. We can use this TNMG insert. Length 16, thickness 4, nose radius 0.8. Okay, this is known as 160408. Okay,
Okay.
TNMG, this is TNMG insert 160408. This is length. Okay, thickness, nose radius. Okay, click OK. Now click here, add to tool station 1. Okay. Now you can see the tool is on the library. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now we are set at the workpiece here, a tool here. What is the next level? Any idea about that? Workpiece stock size?
Um,
Yes, we are given here. Okay, diameter, workpiece, like everything. Here we can give aluminum, low carbon steel. Okay, low carbon steel we can give, or otherwise here different types of raw material is there. Alloy, stainless steel, tool steel, steel cast iron, like this. We can use low carbon steel. Click OK. Now what is the next level? What we have to do? Jonathan sir, yesterday I taken classes lab.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. First we have to set the tools in the tool correct station. We have
Yes.
set the we should set the component in the chat.
Yes, sir.
What we have to do now?
Now you have to take the offset, sir.
Yes, very good. We have to take the offset. That is known as geometrical offset. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. To take geometrical offset, first we should touch the component here. Okay, the face we have to touch for Z axis, and then this diameter we have to touch for the center point. Okay, how we can touch now? First we should run the spindle. How we can run the spindle now? We should go to MDI. MDI means this is known as manual data input. Go
Yes.
to MDI. Go to here PROG. What is the meaning of this PROG? This is known as program.
Program.
This program we can see that this is soft keys. Soft keys will be changed according to these buttons. Suppose if you press position now we can see the position as per this position. soft keys values are changing. Next program na here values changing. Go to MDI. Word selector la press MDI and then press program. Here MDI. Now M03 S1000. What is the meaning of M03?
So spindle rotation.
Spindle rotation on clockwise direction. M
Yes.
S1000 na spindle RPM 1000. Okay.
Yes.
Now click this green button. Cycle start. Now you can see spindle is running. Chuck is running. Okay.
Yes.
Now move the tools near to the workpiece. How we can move? Any idea how to move the tools? Na? With the help of MPG. This is known as MPG. MPG means manual pulse generator. Okay. Go to handle mode. Go to handle mode. Just if you click, okay. Yes. If you move now, you can see in position. If you move, now the tool will be moving. Correct. Correct position will be moving. Okay. Or otherwise, we can move through jog mode. If you go to jog mode and then press Z minus. Z minus. Now the tool will be moving. And then X minus. Now Z minus. Yes. Now after getting here, now we can move through manual method. How now? Go to handle mode. Just move this MPG. Now it's the more handle mode is in X direction. We can move X and then Z. This is Z axis. Now see here. After coming closer, we can move this in 3 levels. Into 100, into 10, into 1 like this. Now into 100 means this is for each division 0.1 mm, 0.1 mm will be moved. Okay. Now if you into 10 each division will be 10 microns, 10 microns. If it's x1, each division will be 1 micron. Okay, this is the advantage of handle mode. We can move the axis in 100 micron, 10 micron, 1 micron. Okay. Now go to 10 micron. We can move slowly. That's each and every division will be 10 micron, 10 micron. That is 0.01. Yes. Okay. Now we can move slowly. Yes, if you move slowly, yes. Now it's touched. You can able to see this.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Now you can go to position, see all. Now you can see machine value Z minus 490.086. This is the value from the home position to the job face. Okay, workpiece. So that we should input this value 490.086 in the offset setting. Just first position, next program, and then offset setting. In this offset setting la, here we can see offset la wear on geometry. Two is there. This is wear offset and then this is geometrical offset. Click in geometrical offset. Okay, just in geometrical offset la G0101 la, go to here, just here type it minus 490.086 input, and then press input. Now we can see in position la the value is z minus 490.086, and offset la we had inputted this value. Next we should go for x. Slowly the same speed we should remove the tool safely. Just remove the tool in opposite direction. Yes, now tool got relief. Now move the x axis. Move the x axis to rotation. Now move the z axis. Once again x axis. After coming closer, okay, you can reduce the speed into 10 micron. Now you can see. Yes. Now you can able to see the visible.
Yes.
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 Now the
Yes.
tool has touched in the
Yeah.
surface. Okay, in the top surface. Now what he has to do now in Excel? What about this diameter? 60 r. X 60. Okay, X 60 measure. Now we have got the center point. Just X 60 measure. That's all. This diameter is 60 mm. Just touch the top surface and then type x60 measure. That's all. The value is inputted. Just 0 input like this. Now if you touch, after touching this, type x60 measure. If you see here, measure is there. Click measure. That's all. The center will get the center point. Once again, slowly remove the tool safely. Okay, slowly. Next. That's all. Now we have got x-axis, z-axis input, and then here R. What is the meaning of this R, sir? You know, sir.
Sorry, sir.
What is the meaning of this R?
Which are, sir?
Which
Here
are?
in the tool offset line will be. Yesterday I explained about
Oh,
that.
okay, okay. The I mean tool nose radius, sir.
Very good, very good. Tool nose radius.
Yes.
What about this T?
Direction.
Yeah, cutting tool direction.
Yes.
Now it's a 3. That's all. We are inputted the value. Once again, what we have to do? We should reset. If you press this reset means now the machine will stop. Okay, spindle will be stopped. Go to ref means this is known as reference point return. Ref, click x plus. Okay, if you press x plus, now the tool will go to home position. X axis home position will go, and then z plus. Yes, now we are taken, we have set the workpiece, we have set the tools, and then we are completed geometrical option. Now we are ready to do the program.